Hi Jess, this is Jonas. Um, Basically this is just a video of me saying happy birthday to you. I hope you have an excellent day. Just, yeah, have an excellent day, a wonderful day. And wow, yeah, 20 years. I mean, I've known you for like a couple of months, but I'm really glad that I've gotten to learn you. I hope that was right, by the way. Oh, have you noticed my new haircut? I like it. I hope you like it too. Oh, and I'm really looking forward to you to come to Copenhagen this year. We'll just have to meet each other. What more did I want to say? Oh, Danish lesson, maybe. Hvordan har du det? I know you're having some troubles with saying it, but you're almost right, just so you know that. Wow, that was like, it didn't actually have anything to do with anything else. So, oh, my arm. Oh my god, I'm so silly. My English sucks at the moment. So yeah, basically it was just me that wanted to say happy birthday to you, and well, I guess this is sort of my present for you. Can't really give you anything else. Bye, Jess. Jeg elsker dig. And you'll have to figure out what that means by yourself. Ha. Bye.